So today we are going there in Kelambu waterfall. You can see this Kelambu. You can see how this look up like a paradise. Very huge, amazing and beautiful waterfall. It's a huge, amazing natural beauty and also feeling so relaxed and peaceful. It's Batulang Utara Central Lombok Regency West Nasa Tenggara in Indonesia, there in Lombok Island, and it's also unbelievable natural beauty here. You can see this. It's I think world best shower place I think. And it's so amazing look and also so amazing this fresh water, natural beauty, amazing and fresh feeling here, and too much flowing here water everywhere. It's around like 1 kilometer area, everywhere water coming. Drying here after shower, so you can see it's front of you, and everywhere every second view is very different.
Water come inside and broke.
The glasses was broke down already. Water flow is very high. Now you can see and you can tell us about your thing. Do you want to visit this? Do you like this? And if you like, so how much did you like this? Do you want to shower here? And if give you chance, so you want to come here? So what's about think about this place? Please share us. Our group also so enjoying here, and everyone is so happy. And if someone wants to information to here, so comment me.
Water come inside and broke.
MashaAllah, such an amazing place. And
Kita udah di Benang Kalambu ya.
waterfall start to here, so now we are entering this place. Now we are entering, this is entry point. Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? Hope you all well. So now we are going there in its name of Kelambu waterfall. From there in Lombok, Indonesia. We are around 40 packs coming here, and a very good tour company.
Air sangat segar ya.
Sampai di mana aja di Lombok? Di Bali nggak ini bisa.
You can see behind to me this view. Now just now we are reaching here. Just now we will start to shooting. So it's start to here. It's around 300 to 400 long waterfall, but first center point it's here, and also visitor allowed to here. Visitor will be come here, cannot other side, because other side also very dangerous and also very difficult way. So many kinds of problem we can face if we will go some other place. So it's a safe place, and it's around 300 to 400 long waterfall. So everywhere inside coming water. All guests and tourists very enjoying, and they are very happy.
Wait.
Now we are reaching here, so after 2 time we will shower here, and we will do some other activities, and after that we will go some other destination, and also we will explore to all over the world, good everywhere, natural beauty and everything.
Ini depan. Oh ya.
Kadang suami nggak ngerti kadang ini apa.
Ini foto apa di?
Now also you can see this view. Very such amazing and very high flowing water, flowing very high, and you can see behind to me, and also everywhere here like that water coming to earth. Yeah, all natural and coming inside to earth. And this is a pool. This is a swimming pool, so it's a natural water swimming pool, not anything here artificial. Present here always public.
Usman, the glass broken. Masih lanjut ya. Oke.
Here also have a prayer room masjid. So now we are going for a namaz. After that we will come again.
Kamu bermain air.
Ayo turun kamu ya. Jauh-jauh nggak mau turun.
Iya, ayo turun. Ayo turun bang, main air. Main air. Udah sampai sini ya. Abang maaf ya lewat bentar. Ayo turun bang, udah sampai sini.
Udah tadi foto.
Udah turun udah foto.
Also now finish namaz prayer. So we are going again back to see waterfall and enjoying this place. And we will see more here. What's this here? And also wants to some information here. So you can see this view. It's a very long view.
Oke, kita masih di air terjun Benang Kelambu ya. Itinerary hari pertama bersama Katie Tour. Oke. Tamu-tamu masih. Oke.
Now you can see this drone view. How it's see to. Yeah, everyone make my fun for glass broken.
Ya. Even we can drink Usman.
What is this?
Some people put the stone ya. Usman can take
Down area and it start to here. And you can see this flowing of water. So it's everywhere water coming inside to earth, every hole and everywhere. So you can see this also dustbin, and then here down to staircase, like a staircase, and also here many holes and coming water. So also here down swimming pool, like a swimming pool, they make a swimming pool. So many people here also can swim, and people doing swimming always who when come here. So you can see this like a swimming pool. It's our group, our guest. So after they enjoying, they are now take a rest. They are resting.
Can you help me? Take it here soon. I say Tata.
Yeah, you can see to here such a very amazing view, like a paradise view. So behind to me it's a very greenery, and down to here they built some staircase and walls and make a like swimming pool. So it's like a forest area now in here, population and public. It's very far here is not public any house. And so here long situation like when you are drive finish, after that you will become to bike. So around 20 minutes bike ways, because there is cannot we may come here by road, because the road is very far to here. So just you can come with halfway on bike, and after that you will come here by walk. So when you are bike riding finish, after that you will come here around 200 plus staircase, and after that you will reach here. So you can see now this view, how to this view, and this swimming pool. So all people are already swimming here, me to swim. So now we will try to plan go back. So after that we will show you how to way come here, how is way. Now you can see also how to water coming like a waterfall everywhere. So it's every all area coming water inside, and these plants and behind to plants everywhere water coming inside. So just plant cutting here, because here is tourist place. So people come for see this. So it's all
Usman, come take the video.
You can see this four-side wall, make a wall, and here stop the water and people swimming here. So it's a very fresh and very peaceful feeling here. If people swimming here, so it's like a two waterfall here. Sorry, like a two swimming pool here, and you can see behind area this everywhere trees and here very big forest. So here not people living here, but they are all our group. They are enjoying here and taking picture and making video and feeling also everyone feeling is so nice and so amazing and very well. After a few time we have to plan to go back here. So if you want to come here and if you want to join us, so also to contact us, comment us, and do you if you want any kind of information, any kind of anything. So if you want to come with tours, and if you want to buy package, 3-star package, 4-star package, 5-star package, so you can also ask to us in DM, Instagram, and also you can comment here in YouTube comment list. You can comment if you have any kind of question for any place.
It's nice, very nice.
Huh?
When you go that place, Mr. said this is the place, the sacred place to ask forgiveness, ask Allah medicine like for health.
So did you listen? If you shower here, this place, if you will do shower here, if you have any kinds of illness and your health is not well, so you can will be fine after the local people said us like that. If you have any kind of problem, so you can shower there. I was show you before, so you will be fine.
You don't want? Huh? You don't want come photo?
Now you can see this last side. Here everywhere coming water inside. Behind this plant like that, everywhere water coming inside. So just here for tourists, they are cutting some plants and for see people. So it's did you see before? Like around 300 to 400 meter long area. So everywhere like that water coming. So it's also like a very amazing natural beauty. I think in Don's area it will be make a very good river. So now we are doing to wind up. It's like a last moment here. So after that we will take one group photo. After that we will go back. Well, so now our here journey and here trip, this waterfall finish. So we will come here again if have chance, inshallah. So it's all people now. We are moving to go another beautiful destination. So we will show you next destination. It's also more beautiful than this. Everyone is very different, but that place is also very good and very beautiful, natural beautiful place. So now we are moving, going back. So you can see this way how to come here, like that. Here staircase around 2 to 300 plus staircase, and after that we will reach here, and after that we will go and going again with bikes. So because they cannot come and drive just little ways far from bike there.
I don't want to time for change.
Always tourists here gathering, coming and going. So come with us, see also way how to come here, how this way. Yeah, very well. Now you can see staircase. It's like starting staircase, and after that it's very far now.
Humanity also I think.
You are supposed to help.
Just for your thinking.
You can see everywhere coming water inside too.
Mind
Everywhere behind to plant.
all this area inside water going, you know?
Yeah.
All area, this all area.
Where is this?
हाँ
Waterfall on the mountain. It's a bit high.
Come with us. I will show you how to come here and how's way.
Ayat.
It's not animal, it's called Kida. This animal like a train.
Usman.
Mountain like more very big, more much mountains.
Wow. Okay.
Himalaya kok.
They're everywhere, mountains.
Masih pegunungan Himalaya.
The tour guide told me don't go there. I told him I'm transient when I was childhood.
Okay.
Don't worry, we can run 16-70 kilometers like straight 90 degree. Really? With luggage, high luggage.
Pakai bawa tas.
Must have warm.
Yeah, because our life like that, no, our natural life over like
Yeah.
that. Yeah. It's not for training or like that. Or when we have childhood, we go to school like that, we go college like that. We do prepare every work like that. Yeah.